All right, B, I'm going to be pulling up Wodify from my phone so you can hear me go through it. It should look the same. I'm going to click calendar. And the one thing that you have to note for the foundations programming is here where it says location. You're going to click foundations instead of in-person WOD. Looks like these are in for this week, which I think Glenn helped you input. And then I'm going to scroll to next week. There's nothing in. So what I would do, Monday the 14th, I hit the green plus sign. And that should load up the screen. Looks like it's not loading. Click new workout. We're going to make sure that the workout we put in is for foundations. It's for 214. We just usually name the workout whatever day it is, Monday. And then once you create the workout, then you can hit save. And now it'll go into the actual settings of it, and then you can add the stuff. So we had a section. The section will be for like the strength or the skill. You can put your warm-up in there if we're going to do warm-ups. Since your warm-ups are very creative and helpful to the thing, you would do something like this. Extended warm-up as the title, and then you would put component if you wanted to do something like, say we were doing a clean or whatever, then I would put beginner warm-up, and then that puts it in for the coach to find out what we were talking about. All right, so now we have extended warm-up. If we wanted to add a strength, add a section, then I will call it strength. Whoops. Made it disappear. Add a section. We'll call it through all the different titles of sections. We're going to either call it skill or strength. We'll call it strength. And you can see that in there in the purple. And then if we pick a pre-add component versus create a custom component, I had issues explaining this to Glenn. If it's a main lift, we want to pick a component so that it's already in there. Like say we're going to do a goblet squat. We want to do the one that's not CrossFit, this one up here that's just the main one, not the resurgent strength. That will give them the one that will have the history. And then you put the rep scheme in there. Say we're going to do 4x8 this week. And you can change this stuff. 2 sets of 8 reps. 4 sets, we said. And then we save it. And now it's in there. And then say we wanted to make a custom Metcon. So we'll add a section here. This is going to be conditioning. Where did it go? Oh, apologize. Add a section. Conditioning. Or Metcon. There, it's called Metcon. So that's down there now. And then we're going to add a custom component. So create custom component below add component. And then, shit. I did new warm up. I'm sorry. Fat fingers. Cancel this. We don't want a new warm up. Let me delete this. We're going to do a custom Metcon. And we're freezing up. So I'm going to have to cut this off and come back for part 2.